Welcome to One Stop Color Printing, your one-stop shop for all your color printing needs. I'm going to show you today how to navigate through our color printing site, how to get quick pricing, how to design your business cards or postcards, and how to order them in less than 10 minutes. To get started, click on the color printing banner located at the top of our site, or the color printing tab located on most pages within our site. Now you're on our color printing page. You'll notice on the left-hand side a list of all the products. Above that, you'll notice some quick tabs such as the pricing, which comes in very handy. To find the price of any item, just click on the pricing. Click on the object you'd like to find the pricing on, such as business cards. Decide how many you'd like. In this example, we'll say 1,000. Whether you want color front, no back, color front black, white back, or full color both sides. We'd like full color both sides. 1,000, you have two choices, design online or upload your file. To design online, it would be $22. Uploading your file would be $26. Once you know what you want, click sign up to create an account or log in if you already have an account. I already have an account, so I click login. Once you're logged in, you'll notice on the left-hand side it says order products, account info, change password, billing and shipping, account address. Pay particular attention to save designs, as this is where the files you're working on will be stored, so you can come back to them at a later date. My orders, you can check on existing orders or reorder previous orders and do approve orders here. You click on order products or click here to start ordering. Now select business cards from the list on the left. Now you have several choices. If you already have print-ready artwork, you click upload to your digital files here. But since we're going to use the Advanced Designer, we're coming over here. Now you can click Quick Designer or Advanced Designer. I like the Advanced Designer, gives you much more choices. And if you'd like to learn how to use the Advanced Designer, you can click here for a video tutorial. I'm going to click on Advanced Designer. This is a great designer that gives you many choices, and you can create absolutely beautiful business cards using it. We have thousands of backgrounds to choose from, different categories. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select a background image now or start designing. I'm going to click start designing, but don't worry, you can always add a background by clicking add background at any time. Once you click add a background, you'd pick the profession you are in. If you don't see it, you can click business and occupation, and many more open up on the right hand side. Saying I'm in real estate, I can click on the real estate. If I don't see who I'm with, I can just pick all or general, and I can go through many designs, page after page, and select the background I would like to use. Once I have my background in place, I can start putting in my text. You want to locate the red T in the text toolbar. This is the text toolbar. I find the red T, I click the T one time, and I click somewhere within the card. You'll see a text box appear. If I click it one time, a blue box goes around it. That's edit mode. I can make it bigger by grabbing one side of it or by adjusting it up on the toolbar. I can also, when there's a blue box around it, change the font. Move it around. I can make it go all the way to the left using the depth and alignment tools, to the top, to the bottom, to the right, vertically or horizontally. To change the text, I double click within the text click outside of it in the neutral area, and now I have my name. To make my name smaller, I click on it one time so there's a blue box around it, and I either grab the corner of it or I shrink it the slow way. I can bold it. I can also change the color of it, maybe to match the side. Then I'd like to add my phone number. Click on the red T again. I have a new text box to work with. Click on it once and move it around. Click on it twice and I edit it. Click in the neutral area. Click it again so I can move it around. Maybe bold it. Maybe underline it. Never mind. Now I'd like to do a website, so I use the red T box again. Double click on it. Put my website in. Click in the neutral area. Now I can move it around, bring it all the way to the bottom, and center it. Now remember, the blue box you see, you need to keep all your text within that blue box. The red is the cut zone and the black is the bleed zone. So any bleed needs to go out to the black. If I'd like to change that, maybe to black, I come up here, make sure it's clicked in blue, click the color box, and change the color of it. I can also upload my own image. Upload your image, select a file, Now this is going to be a very big image. What I do is I want to click it once, blue box, and shrink it. It's always okay to shrink. You have to be very careful when you make something bigger, because then it can come out pixelated. I can put this where I'd like it. I could even tilt it if I wanted to. Hit save progress often and name your design. To design the back, find the back tab located above, click on back, and you can do the same exact thing. I can also select a background, maybe a solid color on this one. I can look at the front, the back. If I don't like the background, I come way over here to the side to background, remove background. Set my text how I want, and design the back the same as I designed the front. When I'm finished, always hit save progress and then order now. Many choices come up. The first is the paper. Usually you leave that one alone unless you want recycled or dull matte paper. The color would be full color both sides if that's what you're ordering. Pick your quantity. Turnaround time, I always use standard. Round corners if you'd like. It's a nominal fee, but it does add an extra touch sometimes. If you want to write on the back, very important, click on No UV Back. Check your proof very carefully. Initial it, and add to cart. Now you can either continue shopping or you can check out. I'm going to check out. Fill in my billing. If my shipping is the same as my billing, click that box and it'll transfer your name and all your information over. Hit next. Come over here to shipping methods. Always do ground. It'll be 2 days anywhere in the United States. There's your subtotal, shipping, tax, and your grand total. Put in your credit card information, hit place order, and your order is placed. Thank you once again for using One Stop Promotion Shop. If you have any questions, please call us at any time. Our phone number is 916-247-9024.